In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drone shot with Luma AI. So first, make sure you are on the lumaaa.com. And if you haven't yet created an account, you can just click this try now button and you will be redirecting to the login page, and when you scroll down, you will see there the create account. So once you're done creating your account or logging in your account, you will be redirecting to the Luma AI dashboard. So in here, you can see the plus button. We have two options for creating a drone shot with Luma AI. The first option is prompting to make a drone shot, and the second option is giving a 3D or own resources from your device. So for the first option, let's get started. Click this plus button and you will be redirecting to a new board. So in here, you will see here the settings and select the images or the videos if you want the video. So in this case, I'm going to choose the video. So after that, you can now prompt your desired kind of drone shot with Luma AI. So in this case, I'm going to prompt to create a drone shot of a beach showing the beauty of nature. So once you're done prompting it, just click the arrow up button and wait for a few minutes to generate or render your prompt. So once done, you will see on the right side the finished render of your drone shot of a beach showing the beauty of nature. So now you can download the video for free. So you will see here that the Luma AI generate the drone shot of a beach showing the beauty of nature. And that's how you make a drone shot with Luma AI for the first option. Now head over to the second option, which is we are going to give Luma AI our own resources. So click this image icon and then upload the images you want to make a drone shot effect with Luma AI. So as you can see in here, we need to upload two different kind of images to apply the drone shots. So once you're done uploading it, you will now prompt the Luma AI to create or apply a drone shot effect on your 3D images. So in this case, I'm going to prompt the Luma AI to show the waves of the beach and apply the drone shot effect on it. So after that, we'll need to wait for it to render. So unfortunately, I reached the free usage limit here in Luma AI. So unfortunately, I can show you the finished rendered of the second option of how to make a drone shot here in Luma AI. And that's it. That's how you make a drone shot here in Luma AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.